15 Everyday Habits That Make You Smarter. Hey, and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. In our pursuit of personal growth and success, we often overlook the impact of our daily habits on our overall intelligence. Contrary to popular belief, intelligence is not solely determined by genetics. Adopting certain everyday habits can significantly enhance cognitive abilities, enhance critical thinking, and improve problem-solving skills. In this video, we will explore 15 everyday habits that can make you smarter, providing practical tips and insights for each habit. Habit number 1, reading. Reading is perhaps the most effective habit for increasing intelligence. From expanding vocabulary and knowledge to enhancing focus and concentration, regular reading opens new doors to intelligence. We will discuss tips on how to develop a reading habit and explore various genres and subjects for optimal growth. Habit number 2, engaging in creative activities. Creative activities such as painting, writing, playing a musical instrument, or even solving puzzles stimulate the brain, encouraging critical thinking and problem-solving skills. We will delve into the importance of creativity and suggest practical ways to incorporate these activities into your daily routine. Habit number 3, practicing mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation not only reduce stress and promote mental well-being but also enhance cognitive abilities. We will explore different forms of meditation and provide guidance on how to develop a regular practice for increased focus, clarity, and overall intelligence. Habit number 4, regular exercise. Physical exercise has a multitude of benefits, including boosting brain function, improving memory, and enhancing cognitive flexibility. We will outline various forms of exercise and how each can positively impact your intelligence. Habit number 5, cultivating curiosity. Curiosity is the driving force behind seeking knowledge and understanding the world around us. We will discuss the importance of being curious, ways to cultivate curiosity, and how it contributes to expanding intelligence. Habit number 6, engaging in continuous learning. Learning is a lifelong journey, and actively seeking new knowledge expands our intellectual capacity. We will discuss strategies for continuous learning, including online courses, podcasts, and other resources that can keep your brain sharp and agile. Habit number 7, getting sufficient sleep. Adequate sleep allows the brain to rest, recharge, and consolidate memories. We will explore the science behind sleep and provide tips for optimizing your sleep patterns to enhance cognitive performance. Habit number 8, building strong social connections. Meaningful social connections not only contribute to emotional well-being, but also promote intellectual growth. We will discuss the importance of building strong relationships and suggest ways to foster social connections for intellectual stimulation. Habit number 9, solving puzzles and brain teasers. Engaging in puzzles and brain teasers exercises the brain, enhancing problem-solving skills and cognitive abilities. We will share various puzzles and brain teaser activities, their benefits, and how they enhance intelligence. Habit number 10, practicing critical thinking. Critical thinking is essential for analytical reasoning and decision-making. We will explore practical ways to improve critical thinking skills and provide real-life scenarios for practice. Habit number 11, journaling and reflection. Journaling and regular self-reflection encourage introspection and help clarify thoughts and ideas. We will discuss the benefits of journaling and provide prompts for effective self-reflection to enhance intellectual growth. Habit number 12, engaging in brain-boosting games and apps. Several games and mobile apps are specifically designed to enhance cognitive functions like memory, attention, and problem-solving. We will review popular brain-boosting games and suggest ways to incorporate them into your routine. Habit number 13, nutrition and brain-boosting foods. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in brain function and cognition. We will discuss the best foods for brain health and provide a comprehensive guide to a brain-boosting diet. Habit number 14, setting goals and challenging yourself. Setting goals and pushing your limits encourage personal growth, and intellectual development. We will explore the power of goal setting, self-challenge, and provide tips on how to stay motivated. Habit number 15. Embracing failure and continuous learning. Failure is a stepping stone to success and an opportunity to learn and grow. We will discuss the importance of embracing failure and a growth mindset to foster intelligence continually. Conclusion. By incorporating these 15 everyday habits into your routine, you can actively boost your intelligence, enhance problem-solving skills, and improve critical thinking abilities. Remember, small changes in habits can yield significant long-term results. So, take the first step today and embark on a journey to a smarter and more intellectually enriched life. If you like this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.